Hi everyone. I hope you and your family are good and safe amidst everything going on with the coronavirus right now. I'm attorney Bianca Jordan. I'm an immigration lawyer in Massachusetts. And today I wanted to hop on and answer a couple questions. I got a lot of questions on my Instagram. And so I wanted to hop on. I had questions about the coronavirus and its impact on immigration as far as whether people can still apply for immigration benefits. So I wanted to hop on and just discuss that on today's live. Um, there are some delays with immigration in the coronavirus, but the immigration agencies are still open, they're still working, they're still doing their jobs. USCIS, for example, is not accepting any in-person appointments until at least April 7th. However, they're still open, they're still working, they're still processing applications. So you can still apply for your immigration benefits, and you definitely should continue to do so. People who had interviews scheduled in March and April, those appointments are being rescheduled, but the people that are still continuing to apply, those applications are getting processed in real time. And so the longer you wait to apply, the longer it's going to take for you to get your immigration benefit, because you're now going to have to go all the way to the back of the line and wait to be scheduled after the people who are being rescheduled and the people that are applying right now whose applications are being scheduled. And so if you have, if you need to apply for a work card, or if you need to, if you have a visitor's visa, you're in the United States right now with a visitor's visa and you're scheduled to go back to your home country soon, but obviously, maybe you can't because of everything going on with the coronavirus right now. Travel is really hampered right now. Maybe you can't leave the United States and you're kind of stuck here because of the coronavirus. You can apply for a visa extension and you should definitely try to do so. So you can still apply for immigration benefits if you qualify for a green card, especially if you're in what I like to call maybe like an iffy immigration situation, such as people that have DACA or TPS, for example. The Supreme Court is scheduled to rule on DACA in a couple of months. And for a lot of people with TPS, their status is slated to end in January. So if you're able to apply for another status, if you're able to apply for a green card through a family member, for example, now is definitely the time to still do so. Immigration agencies are still working. Immigration court is still open. They're still hearing cases of people that are in deportation proceedings. Unfortunately, ICE is still picking people up. Even though, the coronavirus has a lot of people at home, ICE is still doing their job picking people up. So the immigration agencies aren't stopping, and neither should you. You should still continue to work on your immigration case. If you have an application that you need to submit, you can definitely continue to do so. USCIS is still processing applications. They're still open. They're just not allowing anybody to come to their office and meet with them face to face until at least April 7th. They extended it to April 7th. I don't know yet if they'll extend it again, but as of right now, USCIS is just not accepting in-person appointments, but they're still open. They're still working. They're working remotely. You should definitely apply for your immigration benefits now because, as I've mentioned in other videos, the filing fees are still going to go up. The coronavirus hasn't stopped that from happening. We don't yet know when the filing fees are going to go up, but they're still going to go up. And if anything, I can see this agency trying to use the coronavirus to support why they want to raise the rates. I wouldn't be surprised if they try to say that, well, they do need to raise their fees because, they need better technological equipment so that if something like this were to happen again, they're in a better position to work remotely so that they don't have to put themselves at risk of, exposure by having face-to-face contact and communication. Immigration is the least expensive that it will cost right now. So if you're able to apply for your immigration benefits, now is definitely the time to do so. There are some applications such as the application for citizenship that allow fee waivers, And depending on the category under which you're applying for a green card, there might be a fee waiver available for you as well. And a lot of immigration lawyers, myself included, offer payment plans to our clients so that we can try to make legal services as affordable as possible. And also, as I've mentioned in other videos, immigration laws are getting harsher and harsher. This administration from day one has made it clear that its mission is to curb immigration, not just illegal immigration. This administration is also curbing legal immigration. It's made the H-1B visa process harder. It's eliminated it's eliminated categories and countries under the H-2B visa program. This year alone, the new public charge rule and the travel bans have made it that much more difficult for people to apply for immigration benefits, whether you're trying to apply for a fiancé visa or a green card. This administration has made it more difficult to apply for immigration benefits. And so we don't know how much more difficult the immigration laws are going to be. So now is definitely the time to act on your immigration case. If you're able to apply right now, now is the time to do so. Immigration is still functioning in this country. The agencies are still open for business. And so you should take this time to get ahead of your immigration case so that you're in a better position to receive your immigration benefit and handle your immigration case accordingly. I hope you found this video helpful. Please visit brazenlegal.com to learn more about me and my law firm. Again, I'm Bianca Jordan. I'm an immigration lawyer in Massachusetts. I help immigrants from all over the world come to the United States to live. I help my clients get green cards, asylum, special immigrant juvenile status. I represent clients in deportation proceedings. I've helped clients get citizenship and more. And I hope that you guys stay safe. If you are not in the United States and you would like to talk to me about your immigration case, you can call me or send me a message on WhatsApp. My office phone number is 508-942-7497. You can also contact me through the methods in the description of this video. You can book a free consultation with me so that we can discuss your immigration case so that you can at least have some peace of mind with your immigration case, especially with everything that's going on right now. So again, I hope you have a good day. I hope you and your family stay safe and healthy. Take care, and I'll talk to you next time.